Alright, so today we have a 2018 Honda Civic. We're going to replace the cabin filter. I just want to show you how you can save some money real quick. Got this thing off of Amazon. I think it was like 11 bucks. I'll drop a link down below. I've already pulled it out, but how you get to it is you just kind of gotta grab the sides here, pop them down. Let me get down here. Maybe we can see it a little better. You see your arrows here? That's your airflow. Both of these panels have it. So there's little clips on the side. I don't know how well you can see that. You just gotta push it in. And that'll pop right off. There's your airflow. So you gotta make sure you put that in correctly. Like I said, got this one off Amazon. I think it was like $20 at Walmart, 20, 30 bucks at O'Reilly's local auto parts store. But I ordered some more parts, so I thought I'd go ahead and give this a try. It's charcoal activated. It had some pretty good reviews. It's actually my personal car, my wife's car. Doing a little work. Just put some rear brakes and slotted and drilled rotors. So you'll see this has got the airflow too. So you want to make sure that you put that in correctly. And all you have to do is really slide that joker in. Well, sounds easy enough. There we go. Push it in. And then take your panel. Make sure your arrows are pointed down. And it'll clip in. And that's it. Just push your glove box back up. Easy as that.